Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12 by 12 inch canvas that I have pre-primed, a straw and a swipe card, and a little bit of Anita's white metallic to start my swipe process. Blow my dust away. Give myself a nice ring. A little bit of Arteza silver. A little bit of Arteza leftover iridescent purple, which is an awesome color. I haven't tried to get it alone. It's very, very, very similar to the Folk Art Purple Flash. I'd like to remember to compare my American Floetrol with pre-stained wood conditioner in it from Minwax with the Australian Floetrol, both with Amsterdam black paint. But I don't know exactly, by the time I'm done with this, where my brain will be at. So I'll give it my best shot. That was the Amethyst from Artist Loft. I put silver in instead of gold. Here's some Anita's white metallic that has a little bit of a very small amount of pink. Yes, I know, I like to make designs on the way to making designs. Sometimes I like to think that I might stop someday. Here's a really nice Arteza color, which I'm assuming it's definitely a metallic, but I can't assume anything past the fact that it's a metallic and pink. They have some beautiful pinks. Alright, so now I'm just going to use my Amsterdam black with the Minwax pre-stained wood conditioner in it and hope for the best. And I just put that swipe card down and it was clean, and the reason it's disappeared is because it was clean. Alright, I have another small card. That'll have to do. No, it won't. What am I going to do without that card? I really wanted that card. Let's use a bigger one. This is my go-to standby. I like leaving little things behind sometimes. I seem to have more paint in some places than others. A lot depends on how hard you squeeze your card. And doing this, it's right there. It's on, why didn't you tell me that? It's right on the turntable, right on the tile. Alright, so I don't think that I can tip this much, but what can I do? I can take some of the purple that I like. Yeah, no. You know what? I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Torch it really quickly because I like the stripes. And I don't mind. I like the little key, but it doesn't go with anything else, so I'm going to give it a little bit of a nudge. Maybe that's what I could do. Drag some colors right down to the edge. Flip my card over when I have colors on them. Make my striped area complete. Just a little bit more paint. There, I'm still pretty happy with that. Cool. Really actually love those colors. I think I could have put some Venetian blue in there and it would have been nice too. I like the silver instead of the gold for a change. I torched to release the bubbles coat in the paint. I am going to bring in a 10 by 10 inch canvas. and try and repeat the same process. Maybe give myself a little more paint. Well, I can't really make it much more because it's a smaller canvas. Start again with that Anita's White Metallic. We'll get close. The Arteza Silver. The beautiful Arteza Plum that's iridescent. You know what? I am going to put some of that Venetian blue in if it's open. And it is open. And I had some other colors. I had some green picked out. I'll try to stay to my... It's just so tempting to change things up all the time. I wanted some orange too. Here's the amethyst. So tempting to put some orange down. All right, now, so here's my new mixture. I'm not even sure what this is, but hopefully I'll figure it out by the time the video comes about. That is the Amsterdam Black with the Aussie Floetrol in it. Clean off my card. Get a little more for this side next time. It could be just me, but it's not doing anything any different for me. Except for this one's blue, which I kind of like. I knew I would. So there, as far as I'm concerned, there is nothing wrong with substituting the American Floetrol with some pre-stained wood conditioner in it for the Aussie Floetrol, which is an obscene amount of money. But I will be trying to do some blooms with it, so it'll be the right product for the right activity at some point in time, even if this is not the one. Alright, so I love you guys. There's over 93,000 of you subscribed to me. And if you're new, please be welcomed. You know what? I want to do something. I want to mess with this. Do I really? I do. What can I put in there? Maybe I could put more of this. Do I really want to do anything? I don't know. I want a long card to do it, whatever it is. Let's find a card that actually has a clean edge on it. Come on out. You were open a minute ago. You can't be closed now. Okay. Less closed, more about running out of paint. I kind of figure I could camouflage a couple of the light spots. Although I really didn't mind the idea of some black showing through. I kind of liked the idea of playing with adding paint via the card and seeing how that works. I think that works really nicely. If I wipe my card off, then I can do what I wanted to do to begin with, which was to add some orange. Hoping that that's going to be okay. I just want to touch it because I'm afraid the silver or the blue will kind of mess with it. But I like the idea of having some orange in. Whoops, that was more orange than I intended. Can't lay the card down. Well, I am getting some more cells. They're just developing slowly. Alright, well that's kind of neat. I'm good with that. So, take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my comparison. Not that it really taught either one of us anything, but I am getting some cells out of it. I suppose I could bring the other one back over and we could have a look at them together. Let's try that. By the same token, I could probably put that card in the first one and drag it through a few things. Because I can. The name of my first book next to my second book on the Amazon link that's on the link tree. That's the first blue link underneath the video. I like using the card. I like adding marks to my paintings. And if it's thin enough line, it really doesn't destroy anything interesting like cells. And in this case, in the areas where there's a little bit less paint at the bottom, it's going to make the design more cohesive, which makes me happy. Just add some more stripes in. And every time I do it, I can pick up a little more paint too. So if you got some bald spots, well, that one's orange. That makes me think I could put orange in there. And I probably could. I could probably work back and forth between the two pieces if I wanted to. Yeah, I'm getting ahead of myself. Alright, so Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my web pages, my Facebook groups, they're all on the link tree, including my Amazon link, and if you shop there, it's at no cost to you. And it helps me out eventually. Yeah, those are cute. I'm good with that. I gotta find a way to get some much darker orange. I probably have it. There we go. Alright, I'm going to call it good and tell you guys I love you and tell you that I have over 2,000 videos, and if you need a link, ask me. If you have a question, please feel free to ask me. If you're looking for the videos, they're on playlists by topic and genre and by the 100. And there's a 10 by 10 and a 12 by 12. And a comparison that didn't really prove anything to me except for that both of them work very similarly for a swipe. And I'm liking both paintings. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that keep me making videos. And if you'd like to be included in the monthly drawing, you can find the drawing prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video on the end screens of every video. Changed out once a month and held at the beginning of the month and the end of the month. Same sort of difference. My community board will show you tomorrow's video often. My Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, for students will show you the video most often. As long as I remember, it'll be there. My email address is a great place to contact me if you are interested in a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or should you be curious about the price of a painting, please feel free to inquire using the hashtag and the file number from the title of the video that you saw it in. Screenshots work too. I have 2 books on my Amazon link, volumes 1 and 2, because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. And I have Teespring clothing below the video, all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts, and all kinds of other stuff. If you click on any of that clothing, it'll bring you to a place where there's a lot more of it. The top link on my link tree is Le Gallerist, which is clothing made in Montreal, and I'm having a hard time moving it because it's pricey, but it's beautiful and worth a look. It's investment quality clothing, and I would love it if you would check it out. So thank you for being here. Don't forget the thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch longer, you're the most helpful of all. Your comments keep me really, really balanced. That's all I can say. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.